Do you want to know how to turn off comments on your Facebook post? I will show you in this video, so stay tuned. Hello everyone, it's me again, Teresa. Welcome back to my channel. Let's talk about how we can manage to turn off comments on our Facebook post. Turning off comments is workable on public posts only. So if you set your Facebook post to friends, you can't able to turn off comments. Here's how. Go to your Facebook, tap the three lines on the upper right side, go to your profile. You can choose a public post or you can create a new one. Let's create a new post. For example, hello Sunday. Then set it to public and then click post. Go to your post, tap the three dots on the upper right of your post and look for who can comment on your post. And here you can set it to public, friends, and profiles and pages you mentioned. To turn off comments, you need to set it to profiles and pages you mentioned. And then click done. Let's go to the comments section of your post. And you will see here you're allowing profiles and pages that you mentioned to comment on this post. No one can comment on your post unless you mention someone. That's all how to manage comment settings on your public post. Any questions, guys, you can comment down below. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to get you updated whenever I upload a new video. I hope you find this video helpful and thank you guys for watching. See you on my next one. Bye.